Good morning, guys. I just woke up, or I mean, I've been awake for a little bit, but it's Saturday morning, so I've been lounging, like really lounging. And I took off my nails last night, so I'm going to do my nails. I still feel like so tired and puffy and like, man, hold on, maybe I have some. All right, I keep these in the fridge. These are the Enzo Laszlo, I don't even know. They were a gift. Eye-catching eye masks. I feel so sleepy today. Oh yeah, this is gonna feel great. Oh my goodness. That feels fabulous. Put your eye masks in the fridge. Oh, that feels great. I needed that. My face feels puffy as hell. All right, we went out last night with some friends for dinner, and then we had drinks, and it wasn't even that late of a night, but I'm just like tired. Not sure what the day is gonna bring today, but it is like 90 degrees out, so I don't even know if that's like pleasant to be outside and do something. We do have dinner tonight, but I'm gonna do my nails. I'm growing out short nails. It's short nail summer. That's my vibe lately. Even though there's always a part of me that's like, should I do tips? And then when I have tips, I'm like, oh, I want short nails. I'm just gonna file them a little bit to shape how I like, but it's hard because when you're trying to grow out your nails, they don't always like grow equal, or like I broke this one and this one. So like, look at the difference between my thumb lengths. I could either make them all equal, or I could just like keep this length and just like have uneven nails, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. It takes me a long time to figure out what color I wanna do, but I'm thinking I was watching one of my old videos actually this morning, a fun thing to do. I feel like I needed a little bit of inspiration here on YouTube, and I saw that I had like green tips. This color, D&D Mike Ike. And I don't want to do like a whole green nail, but the tips were really cute. Or I'll just do like another pink, but I've been doing that lately, and I mean, I love it, but it was kind of cute. I don't know. Let me just think about it. I feel like my nose is running. It's allergy season in the city. It's also hot as heck. So yeah, we'll see what we get up to today. We do have dinner, like I said, at like 5. It's like an earlier dinner, but we're going to this delicious looking pizza place. I'm very, very excited. That's the 411. I will show you when I decide what nail color I want to do. Okay, it's been a little bit. I've noticed that I really love these eye patches. They feel, it starts to, I feel like you can almost even see it. Sorry, like up close and personal. It has gotten really dry because I've noticed my skin be really dry right here, and you can almost feel it when it's like dry. And then right here still feels like gel because this has been more hydrated. So I feel like you can tell when to take them off, or like when, or like where you're dry and it like actually working. So love that. I just finished my nails. I ended up with blue, so like nothing like I just said. I think I said, oh, I'll do either green tips or pink. Yeah, I did blue, but I really like the color. I used D&D. It's the color Bluebell. I think this is a great summer color. It'll look even better when my hands are tan. If you are not doing your nails at home, I mean, maybe you love going to the salon, but it saves me a lot of money. I find it very like fun, a creative thing that I can do. And these gel nail polishes by D&D on their website are $7.50. And then they always have a 20% off coupon going on. I got mine off 30% one time. So it literally is cheaper than regular nail polish, better than regular nail polish. They use D&D at like some of the salons that I go to. I also have like OPI colors. Those are more expensive and like harder to buy because you have to like be a salon or whatever, or get it from like a third party. But the D&D you can get on their website, and they're great colors. So just a little tip. And then I literally got this light from Amazon, and that's literally all you need. And then I have a top and a base, and you can just do that. Yeah, that's what I did. Love it. I'm letting them grow out. Love this color. I'm gonna fix, I have like 2 toes missing, so I'm just gonna do those quick because I think I'm gonna wear sandals tonight, and then I'll continue with my day. All right, time for food. I am hungry. I'm thinking I just want like rice cakes and peanut butter or something. Oh, yesterday we went to La Pecora Bianca. Great, like easy, delicious, cute, but not too expensive, like very attainable Italian place. And if you get their rigatoni with the vodka sauce, 10 out of 10. And I don't even really like vodka sauce, but amazing. Also the ricotta toast, amazing. But we tried their tiramisu, which they're like really popular and known for. Their logo is this sheep, and they put the sheep on the tiramisu. Let me show you. We have a little bit left. They put it in like a plastic container because it says tiramisu for 2, but like it could be for 4. Like this thing was thicky, and this was the best thing ever. Look at the little sheep. So we have like some left for us. I like coffee, but tiramisu isn't my favorite dessert, and this was so good. The cream was decadent and like delicious, and the coffee was like just right, and one of the best desserts I've had in the city so far. So we have this for later, but for now I'm gonna have a little mandarin and some rice cakes with my favorite peanut butter. This is the natural Smucker's, creamy, delish. And that's gonna be my breakfast. It's like noon now, but I haven't eaten yet, and I haven't gotten dressed, and I haven't done anything. So we watched Formula One, or Dan did. I'm not watching this season. I do like Formula One, but I'm not really watching this season because I am a Lewis Hamilton stan, and he's not doing so great, so it makes me mad, and I take it personally, so I can't even watch. Yeah, like I said, we have dinner in like 5 hours. We're going at like 5 o'clock, so I don't want to eat too much, but I'm gonna have some rice cakes. This is one of my favorite like healthy desserts. I'm like kind of on a health or a weight loss journey right now, a little bit. I want to lose a few pounds before this summer. We have some plans, like some trips this summer, and I've just been noticing that I have reached above my normal weight, and I've like talked to a doctor about it and stuff, and I definitely could afford to, it would be more healthy if I lost a few pounds for my height, because I am very short. I know, like, I don't want to or just talk about weight loss like it's nothing, because it's a big trigger point. And yeah, but for my height, because I am so short, I could use to lose a few pounds or lower my body fat percentage. So I am watching what I eat a little bit, going to the gym like I regularly do, but because I just like to go to the gym for like endorphins, but I am watching what I eat a little bit more, not just like consuming pointless calories, and choosing more healthier things. And I have noticed that I've slimmed down a little bit, like in my face, and I'm not like weighing myself really, but I do feel a little bit better and a little bit lighter. So hopefully I'll continue down that path. And this is one of my favorite, I think, for like weight loss snacks, because it's just a rice cake, which is less calories and a little bit better than like a piece of bread, and then peanut butter is just protein, and it's really not that many calories, but it's a good like snack, and it actually like fills me up. But I've noticed my trick to like eating healthy is just finding all the healthy things that you actually enjoy and just eating a lot of those. So like fruit and veggies and salad, like I love all that stuff, but I also love sweets, and that's where I need to like watch it. That's what I've been doing, just eating a lot of the healthy stuff that I love. And I'm in like a little, I find something that I like and I like kind of keep doing that, so I've been doing that with the peanut butter. So this is my snack. I'm gonna go eat it. Yum. Okay, I'm back in the same spot, and I'm going to get ready for dinner. Let's get ready. I just exfoliated my face, that's why it's like a little red. But, oh, let me wet my beauty blender. Laura Mercier foundation primer. I'm gonna go faster because I literally did this yesterday. It is a warm, beautiful day out. We're gonna go do some Sunday things, go to brunch, or go to a cafe, walk around, bring Brooks out. Let me show you my outfit. This is one of those Amazon workout dresses that have like shorts built underneath. Lululemon bag, New Balance shoes, Ray-Bans, and this is from Amazon. I will link everything below. All right, we just got back from the gym. I ordered some Chinese food. So we got General Tso's scallion pancakes, my favorite thing ever. These pan-fried dumplings, which are amazing. Pork fried rice and white rice. And I am starving, so I'm gonna dig in.